Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money from FAB credit card to bank account. Make sure to watch until the very end to make sure you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Alright, let's begin. Transferring money directly from a credit card to a bank account is generally not a standard feature offered by most banks, including First Abu Dhabi Bank. However, there are a few indirect methods you can consider to achieve this. Please note that these methods may involve fees, interest charges, or other restrictions, so it's important to review the terms and conditions of your FAB credit card and consult with the bank for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Cash advance. You can withdraw cash from your FAB credit card at an ATM or through a bank branch. This is known as a cash advance. Once you have the cash, you can deposit it into your bank account. Note: cash advances typically incur high fees and interest rates, which start accruing immediately. Balance transfer. Some banks allow you to transfer a portion of your credit card balance to a bank account. This is often treated as a loan or cash advance. Check with FAB to see if they offer this service and what the associated fees and interest rates are. Third-party payment platforms. You can use third-party payment platforms such as PayPal, Venmo, or other local service to transfer money from your credit card to your bank account. Link your FAB credit card to the platform, transfer funds to the platform, and then withdraw the funds to your bank account. Note: these platforms may charge fees for such transactions. Overpayment and refund. Overpay your FAB credit card balance. Request a refund of the overpaid amount to your bank account. Note: this process may take time, and not all banks allow this. Direct bank transfer if available. Some banks may offer a direct transfer option from a credit card to a bank account, but this is rare. Contact FAB customer service to inquire if this option is available and how to proceed. Use a money transfer service. Some money transfer services allow you to fund transfers using a credit card. You can send money to yourself or another account and then withdraw it to your bank account. Note: fees and exchange rates may apply. Important considerations: fees and interest. Credit card transactions like cash advances and balance transfers often come with high fees and interest rates. Credit limit. Ensure you have sufficient available credit on your card for the transaction. Credit score impact. Frequent cash advances or balance transfers can negatively impact your credit score. Bank policies. Always confirm with FAB for the latest policies and procedures, as they may change over time. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, contact FAB customer service directly or visit their official website. And that's it, you are done.